Hey there, future scientists! Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of solutions? I'm here to introduce you to the Solution Chemistry Foundation course, specially designed for curious minds like yours in Class 7. Whether you're aiming for Olympiads, IIT, NEET, or just love cracking science mysteries. So what's in store? The journey starts with the basics. What exactly is a solution? How are mixtures classified? Together, we'll unravel the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. You'll discover what makes salt water different from muddy water, and why oil and water just won't mix. Next, we'll explore big ideas like solubility and saturation. Ever wondered why sugar dissolves faster in hot tea than in cold lemonade? Or why it's easier to make fizzy drinks when you chill them? Temperature, pressure, and the magic of dissolving all explained step by step. But that's not all. We'll dig into colligative properties, fancy words, but I promise they're super important for understanding how adding a pinch of salt can change the way water freezes or boils. In the second part, we'll become solution detectives. You'll learn how to measure concentration using units like molarity, molality, and percent by mass or volume. Don't worry, every tricky calculation comes with detailed examples, so you'll master them in no time. Each lesson is packed with exercises, concept checks, and colorful diagrams to make learning fun and crystal clear. By the end, you'll have the confidence to tackle Olympiad problems and real-life experiments. So, grab your notebook and let's get started on this chemistry adventure. Your path to becoming a solutions expert begins right here.